welcome back everybody to Southern Blessed Homestead. This is Mac, and today I'm gonna be doing a little burning in the garden, trying to clear this up. Man, you can see, look back there, golly, it is a jungle. So we got rain coming in late tonight, early in the morning, so I'm gonna get this I've got my dragon torch out, and so I'm gonna hit it, and I'm not gonna actually just burn it out. I'm gonna hit it with that, because it's so hot, you just hit it with the heat and it will wilt and die. Then I'll come back and clean it all up, hit it again, and it'll just burn it right out. Because if you try to do it all at once, it takes too much, burns too much propane trying to burn that green out, because it's got to dry it out and burn it, and I've learned that. So to save propane, I'll just go over it real quick and let that heat do the work, because that heat will kill them. Heat will kill them plants. But I got to be careful, because we got onions excuse me, we got onions and garlic in here, so I don't want to get the heat near them. Anyway, I'm gonna turn it around and show you real quick. And man, this garden, it just exploded with weeds, so we got to take care of this right now. So there it is in all its yuckiness, man. I mean oh, we got a nice patch of clover, and yeah, it has just really exploded. And so I ain't putting it off no longer. I'm going to do it. I've been procrastinating long enough. Anyway, Patty's got some peas growing pretty good in there. She got some stuff going. She's in the greenhouse right now. She's transferring her little plants to bigger cups, red solo cups. But man, look at these. Look at this garlic. I'm telling you what, man, that garlic is looking good. There's some big old garlic in there. And but yeah, it just it don't take long when the weather warms up and it rains a couple of times. Man, everything just takes over. So I'm gonna try to clear this out. There was our onions down through there. They're doing good. Of course, y'all seen the last video, we got a row of onions over there. They're doing good. So I'm just gonna walk through here and take out all this weeds and stuff, try to knock it out. Let's see if we can get it cleared down some. You can't really tell probably on the video, but yeah, that's some pretty hot heat. It'll make all that wilt, and then I can come back later and it'll be all dyed out, and I can either hit it again or just let it die. But man, I love this thing. So you can already see the difference between this and then where I stopped. And I started down there. Got a little fire going over there, cleaning up some old plants that we cleaned up. Just burning that out. Patty's got some clover in here that she didn't want me to kill out. She's got some nice red clover. All the clover we save and just let it grow, and we feed it to the rabbits. Smoke could kill you. What are you doing?
My peppers.
Caught you. Caught you in the greenhouse.
Yes. Up, up.
Got a green stalk. What's all your green stalk? Woo.
Oh, not a whole lot. Herbs.
Oh my goodness.
Strawberries.
That's our raspberries. I've got to get them out here and replant them in the ground. Oh my goodness, look at the strawberries. Everything's looking good. You get all your transplanting into bigger pots done?
No. There are too many plants.
What's that?
I'm trying to make some sweet potato slips. I'm a little late, but we'll see.
Well, my goodness.
This is what they used to be in.
That's what they used to look like.
Yeah, the little ones I left still. And then...
Oh, this is what you've been out here doing all the... Wow, man. Boy, you do have a lot.
Yeah.
I think you do this every year.
I know.
You go crazy planting and then...
Well, I never know how many seeds are viable.
Are gonna survive?
Yeah.
These here look great.
I do plant for some friends, so...
Yeah. Wow.
Yep. Got pepper plants going now. Got... This is the Ahi Fantasy Sweet. I don't have a big variety. It looks like I do, but I've had more in the past. This is the first time I've used these bootstrap farmer seed trays. This is like 120. It's the little ones, and these are 72.
They're tiny.
Yeah, they are. So
how do you get them out of there?
You very carefully. They're not as easy to get out.
I don't think I've ever seen any of that small.
Really
I'm used
hard
to like
durable.
these here.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get some more of these.
Wow.
These are mostly, I think, for like lettuces and stuff like that. But I didn't do that. But I'm just experimenting. So I think from now on, if I get any more, I'm gonna get the 72 one.
Did our what is that?
Those are my cherry bushes.
Yeah, they survived.
Yep, my bush cherries.
I've got a blueberry in here somewhere, and I think that's it. That's it right there. I think.
Is that a blueberry? Okay.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's. I did that. I potted that.
Okay.
And it looks like it's gonna live. Okay.
Yeah.
Because it was down to nothing.
Yeah.
I
take care of the plants in here.
All kinds of things stuffed under here everywhere.
Well, those were the winterized things. These are tomatoes. They're more. I have got so many wild cherry tomatoes that I don't even know what I'm doing with them.
Well, they really like survived good through the winter.
Yeah, they did.
Even through those really bad cold spells with that.
Yeah,
that's how we kept it warm, is that heater right there. Man, I can't get over these raspberries.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that I'm gonna go out there and clean the burn that one aisle that we're gonna put those on. That's a lot, man. That's a lot.
Yep, that's why I was thinking we need a whole aisle for them.
Yeah. Alrighty, well, I'll let you get back to work. I just thought I'd show everybody.
Yep.
Everybody, what you got going on?
I'm going on.
Looks good, baby.
Tired.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? You being a good boy? You got your milk crate over there you chewing up? What is that? What'd you get a hold of? You chewed something up, didn't you? What? What? You tired of being out here? Huh? You tired of being out here? Why, no. Who being a good boy? Who being a good boy? Who's a good boy? And you are. You're a good boy. So ever since our chicken attack several days ago, the chickens have been real skittish. They've been just hanging around here real close to the house. They haven't ventured out there any at all in the open. They've been staying up under this tree near their house, and they're still pretty skittish. But I moved the fence back and mowed the grass down real close down to the ground all the way around, cleaned it real good. Had leaves all piled up, so I'm sure it was shortening out, but there's no predator gonna get in that now because it's popping full power. Although I'm pretty sure, 99% sure it was a hawk that got that chicken, because I was looking out the window and saw a big bird come flying down through here and landed up in a tree. And at first I thought it was a buzzard, but it didn't really look like, but it was huge. It's a big bird. And when I came out here and looked, he took off, and it definitely was a big old hawk. And it wasn't a buzzard, because they're pretty slow moving. And man, this one, he took off fast, and it was a big bird. I mean, he was big. So I'm almost positive that he probably set up in a tree and just came right down, swooped down there and got it, and was eating on it right there in the pen. But anyway, they've been really skittish. This is about the only area they'll go right now. But I can guarantee a predator ain't gonna get through that, because they hit you and that thing hurts. Man, that thing hurts. I've been hit by it. Boy, you can really tell the difference now after a couple of hours. Got quite a bit done. I missed some spots right here because I was kind of nervous about doing it close to the onion, especially right here because those garlic are so big that I was afraid to get too close to it. But I just cleaned that aisle down through there and that one. And yeah, you can really tell the difference. Now I gotta tackle all that, clean all that out of there. Whew. So all I got done, I gotta go mow a hillside up here because it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, and it's already pretty tall, so I need to go mow it real quick before it gets dark. It's starting to get dark. All right, I guess that'll do it for this video. I don't want to make a long drawn out video, just showing y'all what we got going on in the garden, what Patty's got going on, and give everybody an update on the chicken attack. If you've seen my short, I'll leave a link to it. Y'all go check that out. And anyway, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all have a southern blessed day. Oh, everybody's up. Okay, I'll be real quiet. Don't peck me in the head while I'm getting eggs. Don't peck. Oh, hey, they all 4 laid. Look at that. 4 eggs. All 4 eggs. Yay. Man, I did not think this through. I cannot do this with one hand. Oh my goodness. Oh, I got it. Yeah. Okay. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little chickens. Go to sleep.